Hello and welcome to Redona Designs. And today we're going to be tackling something different. Today I'm just going to show you some of the things that I've been working on the screen here. As you can see, it's a J head. So this is a part that onto which the hot end of the 3D printer is attached to. So I have a 3D printer that got damaged along the way, I think due to service, and so I had to design something that can hold those things together. So I had to do a whole redesign of 3D printer. It was a K10 3D printer. It's a Creality and a 3 type of 3D printer, and so I had to just do, how do you call it, an overhaul. I had to do an overhaul on the 3D printer that included the parts that it is made of. So this was the first part that I made, and it worked well. However, it had some few issues where, as you can see, these two holes had attached another part onto it. So this is the cooling fan side of it. So I'll show you on a picture on how that thing looks like. And so I needed to put this fan holder. Let me see if I can show you how it looked like. So this is the piece that actually was to fit. So it was to fit those two holes that I just show you, or to fit onto this part. Those two holes that I just highlighted. And unfortunately it didn't work out well, because now the end stop was on this side, and I'll show you practically on the 3D printer. But so as it was moving together with the together with the fan, it was blocking. It wasn't accessing the rather this part wasn't reaching the triggering the end stop. So I decided I wanted to bring the fan onto this other side. So I went again and started modeling it, and these are the changes that I made. So this is another version. So in this version, you can see, instead of the two holes for attaching the J head to the 3D printer, I decided on a slot. It's because the two holes were slightly misaligning. So instead of having a hole, this is another trick that you can use whenever you want you're modeling things and you're not really sure about the specific size of the holes. Just model a slot. So as you can see, this is a slot, and instead of the nut and the hole, we also have another slot over here. So I'm going to 3D print this one, and then we're going to see how it will all turn out and whether the 3D printer will work as expected. So join me in another video where we'll see how everything has worked out.